Hi, I'm Brittany from Dutchmen RV, and I'm sitting in the garage of a Voltage 4205 toy hauler floor plan. The Voltage garage and patio systems have a lot of versatile options to fit your RV and camping needs. This floor plan in particular has a half bathroom off the garage, which is convenient for partying and hanging out. You have a TV for entertainment, a washer and dryer hookup, and an upgraded subwoofer. You also have the Happi-Jac lay flat bunks with the rollover sofas and a table, which gives you options for more sleeping space or hanging out. But these also all fold up and get put away for your toys to fit into your garage. And then in the patio system here, we have the 0G ramp door, which means you can lift it with just one finger. It's really easy and light to open and to close. And then on top of that, we have the brand new Stack-Up Patio System. And the greatest feature about this is easy to open and close, but you have more options. You can lift the patio system up and swing it all the way into the interior walls and give yourself a little more depth for your toys. Or if you need a little more width, you can store the patio system along the ramp door wall. So there's so many different options and ways to configure your garage and patio system to fit your needs. Thank you for checking out the Voltage 4205, and for more floor plans, specs, and information, visit Dutchmen.com.